Welcome to day 4 of our Carnival Panorama Mexican Riviera cruise. Today is a port day in Puerto Vallarta. We are at the port now in Puerto Vallarta. There's our beloved Carnival Panorama. And it seems like we were dropped off at Pier 1. Oh, Pier 3 was supposed to be at Pier 1. Oh, I think we can walk. I think it's that yellow building right
5
there.
minutes walk lang.
It's that yellow building.
Pwede na tayo maglakad. Halika, maglakad tayo doon sa Ma'am Mars. Ayun o, doon o. Ayun.
Di ba doon? We are now on a 3-minute shuttle ride from our ship right here, the Carnival Panorama, and we're just going along this main highway to go to the Puerto Magico, which is on Pier 1. I wanna go to Walmart. There's Walmart. Oh, you're very close. There's a casino over here. This is shopping mall. I think it's really a short ride. A lot of people are just walking. We finally found our tour people, Gray Line, and people are busy taking pictures. We're on our city tour in South
It is also
Bend.
the land of charros. Do you know what the charro is? Charro is a. Let me tell you something. Charro is a Mexican cowboy, and churro is a dessert. But you know what?
We are here in Malecon.
Now I want you to know, amigos. Please, you will be the first stop, so you can buy some water inside. You can buy some water, alright? So I'm buying some water for myself too. Oh yeah, they take dollars, credit card, and even if you need a medicine, that's the lady right there, ready to assist you, just in case, alright? So a person enjoying a rainy
This
day, and that is
called
a
Lluvia,
good reminder.
which is
Go back to
rain.
basics. Do
Trying
simple
to-
things that can help you change your mood. Think about that. When was
Rain.
the last time
Lluvia.
you went outside specifically to enjoy a
Okay. This is called the Banderas Bay, the largest bay in Mexico and the second largest in North America.
Because
And there's our friend
he
Flora,
was
who
a
just had
hero,
her picture
and
taken.
in order to understand that the movement
Sana maganda yung picture. Tingnan mo. Maganda.
Di ba rin importante yung wave band?
we must know that there was 5 different social classes in Mexico before Mexican independence. There was peninsulares, people.
This angel here represents
For example,
Mexican independence. Today is Mexican Independence Day. Actually, it's a few days of celebration that culminates in a parade.
in our Mexican flag. That
Here is the Puerto Vallarta sign. People are taking
That is what
pictures.
the mariachi band is.
So you see that seahorse
Mariachi
and the guy
originally from this
riding
state,
it.
from Ocula, Jalisco.
Has a Mexican
And
hat and
This is
nose of
culture
the seahorse is
by
a
Rafael
trumpet
Samarripa. He is a Mexican
representing
artist. When
mariachi.
he was in college, he won.
Taking pictures. There's Flora again.
Oh, there you go. What a coincidence.
She has to.
So let's say hi to my friend Claudia.
Oh my God. We're going to the town square now. Here's the town square. It's all decorated like a fiesta. And from here you can see that's the Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. Yes. We're going there later. Oh yeah, this is some guy. Oh yeah, is this the what they name Vallarta? Yeah, I think this is the Vallarta.
The statue.
Is that Mr. Vallarta?
So if you take a look at this plate, says right here, licenciado, lawyer, Ignacio
Vallarta.
Luis, like me, Vallarta Ogazon. Vallarta was his last name. So his two names and two last names.
There's the Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. We're gonna go in there later. And we're leaving the town square area now. I think the city hall now, I think this might be the city hall to our left here. Lido Guadalupe Church, it looks like service is going on. I don't know. I should probably not videotape this. There's a mass in Spanish. I am here just outside Guadalupe Church, Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. We don't have much of a garden here. Everything is concrete. We only have a few plants in pots. A lutescence palm, Chrysanthemum or Gypsis lutescence, and some mother-in-law stone. And I see some birds of paradise. And yellow hibiscus on this side. We have some performers here on the street. This is their city hall, not the city hall, but the city.
No, on Nopal.
And since it's Independence Day celebration, we have all this.
The one that has the tuna. I'm gonna show you a picture.
Eagle, the national bird.
Eagle. No, estamos esperando nuestro transporte, gracias.
We are in the Site Casa Agavera, tequila, where they make tequila. And there's an artist here.
Mr. George has different sizes, as you can see. That is the middle one, big one. So the middle size and the big one have a hanger in the back. So
we are here for some presentation about tequilas. I don't really. Others saying Noble Corazon is the best. Noble Heart. He is the tequila person named Luis. He's good tequila. It's Noble Corazon. Agavera. Agavera. Is it? We're getting tequila shots here, samples. This is our second one. First one was coffee. This one is pecan. We'll see how it tastes.
I leave the mango at the end like a dessert. You have to be tequila. No lime, no
Yeah,
salt,
this
no
one here,
nothing.
you can taste the alcohol way more than the previous one. Is very sweet like coffee.
This is chicken aroma.
We are here in this restaurant called El Canto del Rio to have our lunch. It's part of our guided tour. This is my party and some of them over there. And the reason why it's called El Canto del Rio is because there's a rio over here, a river. You probably hear it in the background. It's kind of noisy. Here's the river right next to our restaurant. Go Manny, go down there. We're starting with some fresh tortilla chips, salsa, and the green and the red picante salsa. And some drinks, Diet Coke for me, and Diet Coke for our friend without ice. We are now leaving this town called Nogalito, where we ate our our lunch at a what's this? We are now on our way back to the ship. We are supposed to take shuttles here, and there's our ship, the Carnival Panorama. Yay! You wanna take selfies here? All aboard! We're now on the shuttle going back to the ship. I seem to be the driver of this cart here. So I'm in the front. There, oh, there's the Carnival Panorama. We're just going up to that. We could have walked it maybe 5 minutes. And I think the Walmart is over there. There's Walmart. We took a turn and now we're moving closer and closer to the Carnival Panorama. That's a really short walk. But they provide this free shuttles back and forth. We're almost here. Here she is, our beloved Carnival Panorama. Okay, we're almost there. This is where they're going to drop us off to port again. We're not leaving until I think 9 or 8:30. It's too hot. Wait, there's our friend Robin Padilla. We're just gonna check out this stores here and see if we can find something that we like. It's dinner time. What are you having for your first course?
I'm having best Indian pumpkin soup.
Indian pumpkin soup?
Best Indian.
Best? West Indian pumpkin soup. How is it? It's good. I ordered chicken noodle soup. It's not here yet, so I'm just eating my bread. I also ordered an appetizer. What appetizer did I order? Oh no, I ordered a salad. Greek salad. Okay, here's my first course. It's chicken noodle soup. We'll see how it tastes. Hopefully it's good. So I forgot the video. Here's my noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup is really good. And then my Greek salad, also pretty good. I didn't finish it though. I'm trying to save space for the entree. Main course time. And what are you having?
The same.
What is it? Swordfish? Is it grilled?
Grilled swordfish fillet.
Fillet with, what is it? Mushroom it looks like. And some veggies. Hopefully it's good. We're going to Ocean Plaza for the karaoke. I hear someone singing already. We'll see. Manny's going to sing. Yay!
Put your hands together for singer Owen.
It's a solo performance. What is it called? Solo guitar with Chad. Easy, is that it? Do you want to go check out the
teacher. Staying in the game, show me teacher. Oh, it's not on there. Here we go. Okay, Vegemite Strolls. This could be it. If you give us the correct answer that is on the board, we'll make it through to fast money. Okay, so Elton, name a bad job for someone who can only tell the truth.
Comedian.
The comedian. The comedian. Show me comedian. Which means Fab, you are back in the game. Very, very exciting. 144 points. You're still in it to win it. But there was a few on this board that we haven't got yet. What do you think? Real estate, politician, police officer. Okay, show me 5. Beautician.
Oh, yeah, you can tell.
Show me 4.
Politician, yeah.
Set that down there. And show me 3. Spy.
Oh yeah, of course.
That's pretty fair. Okay, who are we? Okay, so let's keep going. Name something that might go up and away.
A balloon.
Mercedes? A balloon. A balloon. Okay, this is to go into fast money. What an absolute comeback. Show me balloon.
Yes.
It's up there! Oh my goodness! Wow! You folks have made it to fast money. Pam, I'm so sorry. First round of the moment. Have you had fun, man? Well, pack for a cruise. Name a popular type of nut. Name a place that is always cold.
Alaska.
Name a food with seeds. Yeah, that's it. It was easy. That was a good job. That was a good job.
think it's fun.
How do you feel about that? You feel good with the answers? Yeah, say it to the answers. You feel pretty good? Yes. Perfect. So I asked you what you kind of, if you had a good day today, what did you get up to today? Name something you would pack for a cruise.
Clothes,
Name a popular type of nut.
cashew,
Name a place that is always cold.
Alaska,
Try again.
Antarctica,
Name a food with seeds.
Pumpkin.
Hey, it's hard up here. There's lights, there's a whole bunch of people, there's a lot of pressure. Give it up.
We're lining up here to get our headsets for the silent party tonight. So, because we're going to dance with headsets on. We're at the Limelight Lounge in the silent disco. Oh, I'm got almost